discuss about the General Assembly, the first organ of UN. General Assembly. The United Nations General Assembly is one of the 6 principal organs of United Nations. Students, there are 6 main organs of UNO. Out of these 6, the first one is General Assembly. Here we are discussing about the General Assembly. And its main deliberative, policy making and representative organ of UN. It means UN, all the type of functioning and organs, how they will work, what type of policies they are adopted, it is finalized by the General Assembly. Currently, in its 76th session, they have discussing about powers, composition, functions, and procedure are set out in chapter 4th of United Nations Charters. Means to say, what are the powers, how the General Assembly is composition, how General Assembly is functioning. All these things are explained in the chapter 4th of United Nations chapters. Here you can see the picture of Abdullah Shahid. He is the current President of General Assembly. Abdullah Shahid. General Assembly headquarters is in New York. Again I am telling you students that out of 6, 5 organs have their headquarters in New York. Only CJI had its headquarters in Hague, Netherlands. Now, it was founded. It means the General Assembly was founded in 1945 and it is in New York, United States. Its founder, it means because it is an organ of UNO, so its parental organization is United Nations. Thank you students.